Sorry about that. So I'm getting ready to take the photo. I see that area over there has a big gap, so we can squeeze some people from this side over here. We have a big open area over here on right-hand side, or my left-hand side, next to our Fursuit over there. Just checking, see if I can see everyone's faces, so I don't want to exclude anyone. Little kitty over there, behind you, there's a little kitty or a squirrel. This little squirrel. Why don't you come in front of the wolf character in front of you? And you can scoot forward. Koala, you want to scoot in right between the wolf and the dog right there? All right, I see your hands right there, but I don't see your face. Can you get you a little more forward? You way back there. Can we get you a little more forward too? Behind the sea kitty. Yes, you. Yes. All right, I see you better now. Just checking. All right, I think we are ready to take the photo now.
Crazy Joe, don't blink. Can't help it. Oh, whoa. All right. Oh, whoa. Second one, everyone put your hands in the air. One more. Good job, boy.
So after this, there will be a purple photo shoot near the Headless Lounge where we will meet about 30 minutes from now, 15 to 30 minutes. If you have purple in your suit, meet up near the Headless Lounge to get that photo taken. About 15 to 30 minutes from now.
Alright, you're free to leave. For those of you who wish to participate in the Fursuit games, you're going to wait about 30 minutes. You want to get some water, relax. Be back here in about 30 to 35 minutes. Again, if you would like a Fursuit tag, near the door there is a table with Fursuit tags. They can be permanently attached, or you can just take them and put them in the kitchen later. There is a purple dragon trying to force it, or people want to say